Hey everybody, it's Jolene Jacobs with the Jacobs Group Realty team out of Royal Oak, Michigan, Good Company Realty. So I'm joined today with Brenda Brosnan. And Brenda, we had one question for you today. Brenda, can you tell us in 7 words or less, describe the mortgage interest rate, market right now?
Insane Armageddon with tranquility coming soon. But
What does that mean?
so Armageddon is a range of hills and mountains, right? What we've had is this insane, and I'm going to say hilly, right? Hilly, mountainous, up and down volatility that's been horrific. And because of how rates work and our market, we should be seeing some tranquility / better rates coming soon.
A little reprieve. Can you tell us why you're thinking that?
Yes, and I don't want to get too technical, but consumer price index, which is people spending money, right?
Yep.
What we pay for things. Core consumer price index is what drives rates up and down, and many other factors, but that's a big one. That's a doozy. And it's driven by inflation because of how we spend, right?
Yep.
And there is a 12-month average in how the number is calculated.
Okay.
So based on our numbers in the last 12 months, like way far back a year ago, and maybe so all the way through, I'm going to say spring and beginning of summer, those numbers in 2022 were really high numbers. In the last several months, the numbers have been really much lower.
Okay.
But because that's lagging information, we still are sometimes seeing the trend of rates going up, and then they will come down kind of like a roller coaster. So as we lose February 2022's higher number, the average starts smoothing out to be lower, and that should be with a lot of projections from big economic forecasters saying that rates are coming down in 2023. But I did put a but in there.
Okay, so it sounds a little complex, but if the typical buyer comes to you and says, hey, is it a good time to buy right now? What would you say?
I'm a fan of yes. Yeah.
And buy right now, because if you find the perfect house just might not be there for you 6 months from now. So buy the house that you love, and the rates in the mid 6s, wherever they are at this point, that's still actually low compared to the average over the last 30 or 40 years.
Honestly, the thing is that if you can buy a house for more of a fair market value, and you're the expert in that, instead of paying 50 or 60 grand higher, that would be the goal. As we come into rates coming down, all those people will come out of the woodwork that are sitting on the fence. So if you can buy now at a hopefully more close to fair market value than way over. And then when the rates come down, whether it is in 5 months or 12 months, you can refinance and drop your payment.
Awesome. And if a buyer wants to go ahead and get pre-approved to see what their limits would be with buying a house, how would they get a hold of you?
They can call me at 248-515-3855 or email at bb@ccm.com.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Brenda. You have a great day, and hopefully everybody got a great lesson out of this. We appreciate you.
So much. Thanks.